Hey everyone, welcome back to Wall Curtains. Today, we've got a simple yet effective guide on how to clean your artificial grass and keep it looking lush all year round. Artificial grass is a fantastic low-maintenance option, but a little care goes a long way. Let's dive into the easy steps for a pristine lawn. Step 1. Remove debris. First things first, remove any debris from your artificial grass. Use a rake or a leaf blower to gently clear away leaves, twigs, and any other loose debris. Step 2. Brushing. Next up, grab a soft bristle brush. Regular brushing helps to maintain the grass fibers and keep them standing upright. It also helps in distributing infill evenly. Brush against the grain for the best results. Step 3. Stain removal. If you notice any stains, don't worry. For small stains, a mixture of mild soap and warm water should do the trick. Gently scrub the stained area with a soft brush and then rinse it off. For tougher stains, you can use a specialized artificial grass cleaner. Step 4. Watering. Use a hose to give your lawn a refreshing spray. This helps in cleaning the surface and cools down the grass, especially during hot days. Step 5. Preventing odors. To keep your lawn smelling fresh, consider using an artificial grass deodorizer. Alternatively, you can sprinkle some baking soda on the surface and let it sit for a bit before brushing it in. This helps neutralize any unwanted odors. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to cleaning your artificial grass. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy a beautiful, hassle-free lawn all year long. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.